We go right? This is one way, right?
Left.
Left?
We're going to left. Advance juga na siya magtudlo.
Oh, the guy no lights.
Left.
No lines.
This two-way?
Yeah.
I thought this one way. Go that way only.
Two-way din siya din.
Kung ano, gabi eh. Pero kung adda, one way lang eh. Na naman, gamit na ng pikas na road. Straight. Straight.
Diyan, basaan na to eh. Basa ka kung likod.
Look, the market goes way down here. We only saw half or a quarter of market.
Yeah.
Doon na pero kailan na.
Oh, that's a thrift store already. It's a thrift store.
This is two-way?
Uy,
Like we
that's a no. Cute kayo ang tiro. Naglakaw-lakaw.
look like one way. No, everybody coming this way.
Because, ano,
Pwede na di ay gym.
pwede na ako sa gabi yun.
Okay. Because they use the other lane there. That's why.
Then, we're going to go right.
Here?
Right?
Opo.
Right.
Then
It says right, so
Going
no
right.
entry there.
Okay. Then, left.
Left. Like this, dito.
This one way now?
Okay, we are now in the... Then going left.
Then going left. honey.
Going left. Left. We have to go across this road bridge.
Yeah, it's hard to predict because it's not.
Baka island.
We're going left.
Mahirap na kayo mabaha dali.
Ay, basta ko sa pangulan. Pero dali na po mo kuan. Opa.
Jack, suga sa padagat sa masakyanan. Okay. Jack, suga sa ulan sa kasi.
That's the fastest the wiper go. No faster.
Oh, that's the process.
This is Boulevard. Ano mo dali? Ito mo sa Boulevard.
Ah, din mo. Dito siya na po yun.
High
Wow.
school pa ko nung nana dali ako market.
Oh, kabalo ko ato no, kay Juan.
How she cannot ride home in a motorcycle wet.
Kanina di ako papaugati na din nila.
Oh, kanang
So ako na rin nabili dito sa Pilipinas.
oh,
Atong yung
30.
pero yung yelo.
40.
Hindi rin ka kayo. Magyaya kayo.
This is like the main highway, main road.
nakadungugan ko ato ginakuha kasi mo ate, di ba? Pero gusto mo kami mag-school lang. Oh.
The bicycle guy go in front first.
Kumusta na yung Papa G?
Okay, nag-yun.
Oh, sorry, masakit. Unsay, nagsakit? Nakita na ni mo si imong brother? Wala. Wala ko na parang dyan. Wala ka mo nag-away, di ba?
Ha?
Wala ko siya nagparamdam ni sa imong ate?
Wala.
Tulurog yung buhok? Okay.
If like this, you cannot go to the mini farm. Too muddy.
Nakita biya ko sila sa tatay sa una, Jin. Oo, nag-scoot pa rin sa tatay sa una. Sa iya, ha? Pero murag dali ra daw to siya kay Fred. Yo, grabe, wala. Tapos wala siya kabalo nga namatay na yung papa.
Ano siya kay Fred? Sila yung kukuha niya.
Sila yung, murag namatay naman po yata sa ninyo.
Ngayon, hindi ko na pagkasa ng kasama niya.
Oo, ako daw to ang ano. Wala rin ang nagpabili doon si Beron, pero ito lang.
Wala.
Lang. medyo straight lang pa, Jem.
Tapos those,
Straight.
Siya na mo magsasagran eh. Dorian Stores.
I'm just gonna go
That's
straight and
Dorian.
that's what they tell you to turn.
It's like, yeah, straight only. Straight
Ito
only.
Dorian Stores. Yan. Mga yan.
Nadayaw.
Vlogger.
Ah,
Right.
okay. Oh, yeah,
Vlogger
straight.
Dorian here.
Well, look at that place. Kadawan.
Nadayawan.
Nadayawan. Meaning, it's
What's
kind
that?
of festival.
Yan.
It's a festival.
Oh, that's a little festival area.
Yeah, festival during August next month.
August 17.
Well, like fairgrounds look like.
Wala mo ni George with dancing. Muna sa pinawan. Nadayawan. Pamulak. Muna ginaan niya mga artista ng
Oh, his car broken. Maybe too much water. Water going in the engine. It's not diesel. They die.
Oh. Not diesel.
Yeah, diesel don't spark. They do run.
Uy, nagbaha naman din yun.
No damage to engine. There's deep butter.
Honey, is it okay the water for this?
Yep. It's okay. Not deep. No deep. It's SUV.
Kuya, sa bahay na gusto siya matapok. Oh.
It's okay.
That is why I said, meaning that we're gonna go because the flood is coming.
Straight lang siya din.
Straight lang, straight lang.
Kaya mga alternative na kanal pa din, no?
Dali lang ka naman pa. Mga
Boulevard ang tawagan dito.
Boulevard. 2 hours after the rain. Pag natuwak ng ulan.
Oh. Sao na lang
Just
magpunta ng
wait
ulan.
for
Wala sila drainage, no?
No drainage. Too many rain. No
Too
drain.
many rain.
There is a drainage, but
It's on the edge of the road,
ano,
but
Small
small
drainage.
not handle all the rain.
cannot capacitate the,
Same as all the villages.
the water.
That's what they say. Hard to travel to Cabasalon if it's rain and flood everywhere. Roads closed. Only take 2 hours and can't drive on the road no more.
Magsayo dito yung tagikan na itong. Baliw daw. Mga 3 o'clock daw. Mata na.
Ano siya na, ano, philosophy. It should be left by, nakadalos mo lang kapag.
Paganda sa inyo dyan.
It's like driving nighttime. I want to drive daytime.
Dito sa ano po.
We go up, straight on the left.
Okay, oh yeah, yeah.
We didn't go that way down.
Yeah. Go straight.
So we go around this side. We
You
go
can use
slow.
that is like,
Ito siya ni mo ganun. At least ikaw na yung navigation doon.
I don't know. I listen to her right now, even though we're on the same path.
wala na gyapon. Wala na gyapon.
Nakasabot ni siya o ba?
Nakasabot tayo siya. Naamon ko tayo siya.
Oops, water.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Go too fast.
Nabasa siya.
They're already wet anyways. Can't even see the road where the road is.
Wala na daw niya nakita ang road na linya. Fog line. Fog line may tawag na dito. Pumuna niya siya kay Menor sa Pedestrian Lane. Menor sa Pedestrian Lane.
Wow, rain comes so fast. Unless they're gonna rain lightning.
Paano siya kapag street? Ano to? Talagang magani.
Wow, so much rain. It rain in America, but not like this rain.
Dapat na kung bisa mo i-clear sa river dyan. Kanan, rain. Hindi na, oh.
Oo. Wala, nag-guilty ko dito sa tao ba? Itabang sa man siya dito. Wala na ito nasulan.
Ay, kung ano naman ito siya, yung trabaho naman ito niya ni.
Ano kailangan?
If kailangan.
Ah, wala na siya.
Wala.
Bensin, wala yun. Ah, wala man ito siya.
You don't have no light?
Nakakontan ko dito pa yung palo, pero yung siya nawalo ko ng tamang niya, tagiyak mo ako.
Maybe car get car wash now clean.
Diba? Dito na mag-car wash?
Need to put
For
some stuff.
free! Car wash for free!
Free car wash now. From nature, Mother Nature. Pets first. Animal.
Nalinaw ko sa tuwan ang mga kapital na ito. 7:30.
Masunod ang kapag yung tapos.
Prepare for the left side. Ano, right? Right.
Right?
We are going to right. So, use the right lane.
Last time I stay right lane, they made me turn right.
Yeah.
Traffic police say right only,
Right only.
not straight. What's this intersection here? Somewhere. Right lane. You say we're gonna be on the right lane?
Yeah. Always right. Another right.
Oh, right here. We have to wait for green, or we can turn. We can have to wait for green or red. Okay. I don't know. I guess I wait.
Muhulat daw sa green.
Oo.
Yeah, you have to wait for
Sometimes
the
you
green.
can turn on red, but I don't know. I can't read the sign.
Ganina, pwede sa to.
Nasa kilid naman ito mga dito.
Gani. Pwede ito pa ganina.
You sure we go right? No, straight. You are going right.
Kasi pwede ra ano. You can go.
That's why I asked if we can go or we have to wait for green.
Go. Yeah.
Now left or right.
Safe.
Oh, basta dili lang ka matabot.
Mo na niisip mo, dali ra kayong kaka.
Asa?
Asa na nahan? Asa.
What?
Ang katatangan eh. Pero ang tuyok ka sa ano ha kayo, dahil baha mong ko. Atong gagyan na to, ganina ng baha.
Oh.
The road that we passed by earlier, maybe a big flood na to.
Oo,
Ay, man siya dito, kasabot man siya Bisaya. dahil ito
Kasabot naman siya, oh.
Sabot na siya.
can understand Bisaya already.
Nakasabot na siya. Asa nga. Magtuon lagi daw siya kay dili siya mag-retire sa Pilipinas. Mukhaon na ganyan, tortang talong.
Ano ba?
Oo. Tortang talong.
Bulad.
Bulad. Oo, kanang kuan, dilis. Tapos kanang, naman dito sa Asian market dito do sa Amua na sila kanang ganing bulinaw nga crispy, pinirito. Upalit ko.
Mo ni Robinson's Davao.
Look at that big chicken on there.
Puro na rin mall ba?
Bounty fresh.
Set mo kayo. Pipino, makaw na rin pipino.
Oo, nagpalit gani ko ganina. Kaunog pa ng salad gani, butangan mo vinegar o naisili gamay. Tuyo gamay. Ano lang?
Hindi siyang kao.
Ha?
Hindi siyang kao. Hindi ba nga daw siya?
Ay, kuan to, oh. Cucumber nga shake ba sa Manila. Wala, halos sa katulog. Balik sa CR. Juice ba to ba ang yung ipalit? Kanang shake gani. Cucumber shake. Natagam na siya kay pang.
Oh,
Murag detox ba pang?
look, Panda. That's food delivery. I was gonna order food this morning
Oh.
from Panda.